Before you choose a house plan, before you buy a building kit, before you pour a foundation, there is one decision that can determine the success or failure of your entire project: the land. Most people begin by looking at houses. They search for designs, materials, and floor plans. But the smartest homes are created by people who first understand the property they are building on. Because a home is not just a structure. It is a relationship between the land, the climate, your health, your finances, and your future. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Today we are starting a new direction. This channel is not just about steel arch homes. Steel arch homes are one example of a much bigger idea. The mission of Contain Your Life is helping you create a smarter place to live. A home that is durable, a home that is healthier, a home that respects the environment, a home that makes financial sense, and most importantly, a home designed to serve you for decades. Because the biggest building mistakes often happen before construction even begins. In this video, we are going to explore 12 things most people never consider before building a home. These decisions can affect your comfort, your energy bills, your maintenance costs, your health, and even how much your property is worth years from now. A beautiful home on the wrong piece of land can become a constant problem, but a thoughtfully planned home on the right property can become one of the best decisions you ever make. The smartest home starts before you build. The first thing to consider is the sun. Before choosing where your home will sit, understand how sunlight moves across your property. The path of the sun affects everything. It affects heating, cooling, natural lighting, outdoor comfort, and future energy options. A home designed around the sun can use nature as an advantage instead of constantly fighting against it. This is called passive solar design. It is one of the simplest ways to improve comfort and reduce energy costs. A home does not need to be complicated to be smart. Sometimes the smartest decisions happen before the first piece of material arrives. The direction your home faces, the placement of your windows, the location of trees, the design of roof overhangs. These choices can influence your home for generations. Smart building is not just about adding technology. It is about making better decisions from the beginning. Here is your smart build moment. If you are looking at land, do not visit only once. Visit in the morning. Visit in the afternoon. Visit near sunset. Watch where the sunlight reaches. Notice which areas are naturally shaded. Notice where heat collects. The property is already giving you important information. You just have to slow down and observe. A few hours of careful planning before construction can save years of higher costs later. The second thing to consider is wind. Many people only think about wind during storms, but wind affects your home every single day. Understanding the direction of prevailing winds can help with natural ventilation, outdoor comfort, energy efficiency, and protection during extreme weather. A smart home does not simply resist the environment, it works together with the environment. The goal is not to fight nature, the goal is to understand it. Did you know? The shape and position of a building can change how wind moves around it. Wind patterns can influence outdoor spaces, snow accumulation, moisture movement, and even how comfortable your yard feels. This is why experienced designers study the property before they design the structure. The land comes first, the building comes second. When those two work together, the result is a home that performs better. The third thing to consider is existing trees. Many people look at trees and only see something that needs to be removed before construction, but mature trees can be one of the greatest assets on a property. They can provide shade, reduce cooling costs, create privacy, protect against wind, improve the landscape, and support local wildlife. The goal is not to remove nature. The goal is to create a thoughtful relationship with the land. Here is your Green Minute. One of the most sustainable building decisions you can make is preserving what already exists. A mature tree represents years of growth, energy, and natural benefits. Instead of clearing everything and trying to recreate nature later, consider how your home can fit into the environment. Smart development does not mean dominating the land, it means respecting the land. A truly sustainable home begins with understanding what is already there. The fourth thing to consider is soil. The ground beneath your home is one of the most important parts of your entire project. Yet many people spend months choosing a house design and only minutes thinking about the soil. Different soils behave differently. Clay can expand and contract, sand drains quickly, rock can create excavation challenges, poor soil conditions can affect foundations, drainage, and long-term stability. Knowing your soil before building can prevent expensive surprises. What would I consider? If I were comparing two different properties, I would ask, what is happening below the surface? A beautiful view is important. a great location is important. But the ground supporting your home determines whether your investment remains secure. Before falling in love with a property, learn its story. The soil, the water, the slope, the history. The smartest buyers look deeper than what they can see. The fifth thing to consider is drainage. Water is one of the most powerful forces affecting any property. A piece of land can look perfect on a sunny day and reveal major problems after a heavy storm. Look for where water collects, where water leaves the property, areas that stay wet, signs of erosion. Understanding water movement can influence where you build and how you protect your home. Good drainage is not just about preventing damage. It is about creating a healthier, more durable property. Here is your Healthy Home Minute. A healthy home begins with moisture control. Many indoor problems begin when water enters places where it does not belong. Moisture can affect air quality, materials, and long-term maintenance. A healthier home starts with smart decisions outside the walls. Proper site selection, good drainage, correct foundation planning, and thoughtful material choices. A home that stays dry is a home that is easier to maintain and healthier to live in. The sixth thing to consider is runoff. When rain falls on your property, where does it go? Does it move away from your future home? Does it collect near the foundation? Does it create erosion problems? Understanding runoff can help you design better landscaping, drainage systems, and building placement. Water will always follow the easiest path. The question is whether you understand that path before you build. The seventh thing to consider is water collection and conservation. Water is becoming one of the most important resources for homeowners everywhere. A smart property considers water before construction begins. Think about rainwater collection, water storage, efficient landscaping, native plants, and reducing unnecessary water use. A home that works with natural resources can become more resilient during changing conditions. The goal is not just using less water. The goal is using water intelligently. Even if you are not installing solar panels today, your home should be prepared for tomorrow. Think about roof orientation, electrical planning, battery storage options, energy-efficient appliances, and future technology upgrades. A smart home is not only designed for the way you live today, it is designed to adapt as technology and needs change. Future-proofing is one of the best investments you can make during the planning stage. The building industry is moving toward homes that produce less waste and use energy more efficiently. We are seeing improvements in high-performance windows, better insulation systems, smart energy management, heat pump technology, factory-built components, and stronger, longer-lasting materials. The homes of the future will not simply look different, they will perform differently. The ninth thing to consider is long-term operating costs. Many people focus only on the purchase price, but the real cost of a home continues long after construction is finished. Consider energy bills, maintenance, repairs, insurance, replacement costs, and the expected lifespan of materials. A cheaper choice today can sometimes become the more expensive choice over 30 years. Budget reality means thinking beyond the first payment. Here is your budget reality. The smartest home is not always the cheapest home to build. It is the home that provides the best value over time. Durable materials, energy efficiency, low maintenance, healthy indoor conditions, and thoughtful design. These choices may require more planning upfront, but they can reduce costs for decades. A home should not only fit your budget today, it should support your financial future. The 10th thing to consider is healthy materials. A home should protect the people living inside it. Pay attention to low VOC finishes, healthy flooring choices, moisture-resistant materials, fresh air ventilation, water filtration, and natural daylight. The materials surrounding you every day can influence comfort and indoor quality. A beautiful home is important, but a healthy home is even more important. The 11th thing to consider is designing for changing needs. Your life will change. Your home should be able to change with you. Think about aging in place, flexible rooms, accessibility, changing family needs, and future lifestyle changes. The best homes are not designed for one moment in time. They are designed to remain useful for many years. The 12th thing to consider is resilience. A resilient home is prepared for challenges that can include extreme weather, power interruptions, changing energy costs, material shortages, and unexpected events. Resilience does not mean creating a complicated home. It means creating a thoughtful home, a home that gives you confidence because it was designed with reality in mind. So before you choose a building kit, before you finalize a floor plan, before you start construction, remember this: the smartest home begins with understanding the land, the sun, the wind, the water, the soil, the environment, and the future you are building toward. A home is not just a structure. It is a long-term relationship with the land, the climate, your health, and your finances. Here is your Contain Your Life challenge. This week, go outside and observe your property. Or if you are looking for land, spend time observing a potential property. Notice where the sun rises. Notice where it sets. Watch how water moves after rainfall. Look at the trees. Feel the wind direction. Pay attention to the natural features around you. Those simple observations can teach you more about smart building than hours spent looking at house plans. Now that you understand why the land comes first, the next question becomes, how do you choose the right steel arch kit? Because not all steel buildings are created the same. The thickness of the steel, the quality of the coating, the engineering, the foundation requirements, and the long-term durability all matter. That is exactly what we will explore in the next episode of Contain Your Life. If you want to create a home that is healthier, stronger, and smarter for the future, subscribe to Contain Your Life. Here we're not chasing trends. We're learning how to make better decisions, because building smarter starts long before construction begins. It starts with knowledge, and it starts with choosing wisely. Thanks for joining me. I will see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support is greatly appreciated.